Hey guys, welcome back. There is a big news coming from Apple. The first look of iPhone 12 is finally here. There will be 4 models of iPhone 12, which includes iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. This time all 4 iPhone 12 models will come with OLED panels, but the Pro models iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max will come with a superior OLED panel. Talking about the sizes, the base model of iPhone 12 will come with 5.4-inch Super Retina HD OLED panel, and iPhone 12 Max and iPhone 12 Pro will come with 6.1-inch display, whereas iPhone 12 Pro Max will come with 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED panel. And guys, there is a bad news that not all the models of iPhone 12 will get 120Hz of display refresh rate except iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. These two models will get 120Hz of display refresh rate. Now talking about the design, there is not much of change. iPhone 12 and 12 Max will come with aluminum body with iPhone 11 like design. iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max will come with stainless steel body, but there will be one Pro model which will get iPhone 4 like design. So this will be the first time that Apple is going to change the complete design of iPhone after a very long time. And we all want that iPad Pro like design or iPhone 4 like design. Now talking about the camera section of iPhone 12 lineup, the base model of iPhone 12 and 12 Max will get a dual camera system at the back, and the Pro models iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max will get a triple camera setup at the back with a LiDAR scanner. And all models of iPhone 12 will get Apple's A14 chipset, and this will be the first time that Apple is going to introduce 5G in their iPhones. Now talking about the first look of iPhone 12, there is a Apple TV Plus show which is called as Defending Yacob, and in that show they only use Apple products. And yesterday on Twitter, a YouTuber Xphil, while tagging MKBHD, Unbox Therapy and Everything Apple Pro, he tweeted that he was watching Defending Yacob, an Apple TV Plus show, and there was a close-up shot of a phone which he claims that it might be the iPhone 12. Now looking at the phone, yes, the front notch is very small, bezels are very tiny, and the design looks like iPhone 4 like design or iPad Pro like design. But if you look at the top right corner of the smartphone, the battery indicator and the network indicator, they look like the Android smartphone indicators. So guys, that's it for today. Tell me your thoughts about this in the comment section, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.